home and I thought I would do an unboxing of this package I received from YesStyle. So much products. Look at it. Okay, so I got a few products from Tiong Bahru, and I first heard of this brand from my sister. She has been using their moisturizer for a very long time, but I have not tried any of their products because a lot of their products contains oil, which can be quite heavy for my skin. However, I did find two toners that are oil free, and so I'm really excited to use them. Then I have this, which is from Purito. This is their Snail Repair Advanced Serum. So as you guys know, I love Purito and I love snail. So when I saw that they have a snail serum, I just had to get it. Next, I got a couple of products from I'm From because I am low-key obsessed with the brand. So I got the mugwort mask, the rice mask, and the ginseng eye cream. So yeah, I will be testing these products out. I'm really excited to start using the mask, even though I feel like masks are not really necessary in a skincare routine. It's nice to use them once in a while. What is this? Oh, okay, so this is the Make Prem sunscreen. It was very highly recommended by a lot of you guys in my sunscreen review video, and so since then I've wanted to try it. So I think this is the popular one. So this is the Blue Ray Sun Gel. Hopefully it's the correct one. Next, I got the Misha Time Revolution First Treatment Essence RX. I believe I've used this before a really long time ago. I'm not sure if it's the same one. I don't think the previous one was RX. I don't know what's that. But anyway, this is like a huge dupe for the SK2 facial treatment essence. So I thought I would try and incorporate this into my routine and see how it works. Then I got this. This is the iUnique Centella Bubble Cleansing Foam, which I've also used in the past, and I really liked it. So because I am obsessed with the Etude House Sunjong Whip Cleanser, I thought I would give this a go again and see if I really like it right now, because when I used it in the past I did not have very acne prone and sensitized skin, so I wanted to see if this will work well for my skin right now. The final product is the YesStyle Mandelic Acid 5% Skin Prep Water. This is my third bottle. I really like this product. It contains AHA, mandelic acid, and it's a lot more gentle than glycolic acid, and so it works for my sensitized skin. So as you can see, there are a lot of different types of products in this package, and I wasn't asked to do any specific content for these products, so I will be trying them out and reviewing them or featuring them in videos if I like them, but I will be doing them in separate videos, not together, because yeah, I wasn't told to do like a dedicated video for YesStyle. So I thought I would share them with you guys. So really excited to start using the products that I have yet to try, and if I like them, you will see them in future videos. Right now we are in the middle of meal prepping, so I need to head out and continue meal prep.
I think it's terribly dangerous for an artist to fulfill other people's expectations.